Hello friends, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? There are different way digital marketing and what's benefit through digital marketing. The two short lecture presentation my videos. The number one, the difference why to digital marketing. Number two, what's benefit digital marketing. I can first time the what benefit digital marketing. Given the delivers of digital marketing methods, there is a similarly diverse set of benefits available for digitally survey benefit on the overseas level. Digital marketing enables business to reach customer during every day the active search, scanning social media, range online articles, watching video, etc. etc. While customer and approach the marketing, there was type nature, the range and can be various the common benefits digital marketing and defense by using digital articles. More specifically, digital marketing can help business achieve any or all of the following the benefits. The lot of benefits your business brand. The number one, global reach. Number two, low cost and entry. Number three, measurable ROI. Number four, improvement targeting. Number five, dynamic adaptive. Number six, immediate connection. Number five, relation building. Number one, global research. Unlike traditional method, digital marketing is not necessarily bound to specific geographic areas, but geolocated. Their internet is able to customer across the global or worldwide. This allows business to make and sell to customer how live in a different state on your counties, removing many traditional branding to earth. Number two, low cost of entry. To achieve the global reach of digital marketing through traditional channel, there will be serious price tag attached on the other hand. Getting specific to digital marketing can be achieved with a small investment of time and resource. For example, every small or startup business can create website, manage social media, and publish blogs without breaking the break. Minimal ROI. In order to maximum profile, business must be careful. Elevation remote to investment ROI with traditional marketing. ROI can be difficult, sometimes impossible to measure. On the other hand, digital marketing provides real-time visibility into the effect of each campaign. The enabling the business leading to make will information direction to drive revenues and the increase portfolios. The improvement targeting. The digital marketing always business to targeting very specific, dynamic and potential customer by engagement, custom and potential geographic, geolocated, industry, social channel, business have a much better channel or reaching their targeted and demographic and targeted audience, targeted customers. Dynamic adaptability. Digital marketing strategy are the extremely malleable and flexible, enable business to adjust course when needed, unlike long-term traditional marketing campaign. Business can adjust their digital effort on the fly. An ability quick provide when the necessary to reason communication and opportunity, then the good business. Immediate connections. Before making a purchase, modern customer generally contract online resource and evaluation reviews. The first setup is the process traffical start with the search engine in the way business who development, SEO search engine optimization, SEM search engine marketing, and PPC pay per click strategy can contain the immediately which customer. A relation builder. The resource of social media has trained in the dynamic communication the platforms of many customer demographics, and furthermore customers including want to engage with business on the teams on their purchase platform. As a result, business the engage and effective SMM social media marketing. The perfect can be long-term and long relationship with current and positive customers. Overall, business to even shape and size can achieve powerful benefits through effective use of digital marketing methods. Further, more than cost of digital marketing can be tailored and specific business the sparing many bring to it to traditional methods. With the many benefits able to just about budget, and many business are successfully with digital marketing effort. And second part, the different way of digital marketing. There are different way to digital marketing. The digital marketing in brand team each of or digital way. Number 1, search engine optimization. Number 2, search engine marketing. Number 3, pay per click. Number 4, social media marketing. Number 5, email marketing. Number 5, affiliate marketing. Number 6, content marketing. Number 7, negative marketing, netable marketing. So it is way to use the social media marketing, very important. Can digital marketing benefits of digital marketing through grow your business uses the digital marketing. The present time whole world very important and highly platform digital platform. You can go digital platform uses the targeted customers, largest audience, the worldwide customer, globally customer, individually customer, your country's customer, etc., etc. But the so highly benefited users of digital marketing, your business, your website, your web page, your blogs, your channel, etc., etc. I can present my lecture, my videos, the short lecture, the difference of digital marketing and benefits digital marketing. The 2 lecture, these videos. Thank you, my friend. Again, some summaries. defense why the digital marketing. Number 1, search engine optimization. Number 2, search engine marketing. Number 3, pay per click, PPC. Number 4, social media marketing, SMM. Number 5, email marketing. Number 6, affiliate marketing. Number 7, content marketing. Number 8, native advertising. And the benefit, digital marketing, global research, low cost of entry, matchable RIO, improvement trading, dynamic adoption, immediating connection, relation building, then etc. etc. The very important part of digital marketing and benefits. Thank you. Best of luck, my friend.